Hey guys, so this is the guy with a 98 ML320 ignition problems. There you go, everything's fixed. The key now is turning. Okay. And besides that, I noticed I have a problem with the ignition switch, which I replace it because it's a little contact here, as you see close, makes contact with the plastic. The metal to plastic don't go together, so down the road you get problem with that. So I ended up as well buying this brand new. This is the old one. I already have the new one inside, which I bought on eBay for $24 free shipping, original part. Okay, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Here you go. We'll start right up. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.